Hey everyone, this is Pandora from Integrative Gardening, and I have a plant unboxing for you today. So let's get to it. This is from Little Prince, and I've bought a lot of plants from them before. They have some really good quality plants, and today's plants are houseplants. Okay, so we have a piece of newsprint and a packing slip. So let's see, there's a little directions for different plants here. That's pretty nice. Okay. Wow, that's really packed quite nicely. Everything in its own little section here. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, and I can see that there's a heat pack in the bottom, so that is good. All right. Okay, this one is heart fern, Hemionitis, arifolia, and has this nice little section of excelsior here. Keep it all nice and lift it up, and so the leaves don't bruise. Wow, that is a nice specimen right there. Yeah, it's a little fern, and it has these heart-shaped leaves and these really nice little dark stems to it. Let's see, zone 10 and 11, and gets 10 inches tall and 12 inches wide, and it's an evergreen fern. Yeah, so that is really pretty. Very nice. Let's see what else we got here. Wow, I like how that just packed that right on the top there. Cushion the top from any impact on the top of the box. Okay, so Cretan brake fern, Pteris, cretica, Albolineata. This is zone 9 to 11, 24 inches tall, and 18 inches wide. So it's supposed to be a gray-green fern and with white in the center. Yeah, you can see the variegation down in here. And this one also kind of has dark stems. They're not as black as the other one. But, wow. That is a really pretty little fern there. Yep. That's going to make a really nice house plant. Okay. What is next? See a little small one in there, so let's get him out of there. Wow, that is so cute. Now, I did not order this. It must be a gift. So we have Echeveria, Perle von Nurnberg, and full sun, protect from freezing. Solitary rosettes of waxy reddish brown leaves and drought tolerant. Cute! Oh, and I have been wanting to make up some little succulent arrangements, so that's going to be really nice. Let's get this cleaned up a little bit here. Okay, what else have we got? Okay, this is the digit fern, Doryopteris, pedata, and we have zone 10 to 11, 12 inches high, and 18 inches wide. Yeah. So pretty. You can tell I like ferns. Yes, I'm a fern fan. Yeah, so the stems are nice and black here, and these fronds will open up and get more digit-like. You can see kind of in the picture here. All right. Yeah, get this little guy unwrapped. Oh, he's so cute. Wow. Okay, gold tip, Spikemoss, Selaginella, kraussiana, gold tips. Zone 6 to 10, 6 inches tall and 18 inches wide. So he's going to be just a little pupper. Yeah. Ooh, that is so soft and fluffy. Wow. Really, really cute. Okay. This one is Arrowhead Fern, Doryopteris nobilis, and zone 10 to 11, 20 inches tall and 20 inches wide. Wow, he's going to be kind of tall. Yeah, so you can see kind of the arrow shaped leaves here, and kind of similar to that one in the same family, but they're just a little bit different. Here you go. Okay. Okay, this is Bear's Paw Fern, Polypodium aureum blue star. And it is zone 9 to 11, 30 inches tall and 36 inches wide. Wow. This has kind of like a soft blue tinge to it. And yeah, I had a fern similar to this one. It wasn't quite this variety, but it was close. And I found out I could keep it outside in the yard in my fern garden. So I planted it out there, and I have missed having it for a house plant. So I am glad to have this. Yeah. Beautiful. Such a beautiful fern. Okay, so I'm just going to check the packing slip. And that should be it. There's a little sticker. Yeah, so there we are. I am looking forward to arranging my new fern forest. Okay, so yeah, I have some new pots coming in for these that I will show you on the next video, and that is it. I'll have all of the links and the names of all of these in the video description for you to see later. Bye, thanks for watching.